Right now, the energy sentiment score has surged to plus 0.19, with momentum hitting plus 0.28, which is notably above our historical baseline. This spike is unusual because it indicates a sudden shift in sentiment and activity, driven by 19 distinct semantic clusters reflecting diverse viewpoints in the energy sector. When you tap into our API, you get a comprehensive data package that not only provides sentiment, but also captures these clusters, helping you understand the nuances behind the numbers. Imagine using this to refine your trading strategies, or to enhance your predictive models by integrating real-time sentiment shifts into your decision-making process. For more details, check out pulsebit.lo.jenterprise.com/docs. This could be the edge you need to stay ahead.